Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.3 question 3 bit 5 from chapter 5 called Arithmetic Progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 3 bit 5. Now moving on to question number 3 bit 5, it is given that in an AP given D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75, find A and A9. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Solution. So as per the question here, we need to find out the value of A1 and A9, and the given data is like D is equal to 5 and S9 is equal to 75. So first of all, let us put down the things that is being given so that it would be easy for us to calculate the missing terms. Now D is equal to 5 and S9 is equal to 75. So let me write D is equal to 5 and S9 is equal to 75. These two things they have given, and we need to find out the value of A1 is equal to how much, and we need to find out the value of A9 also. So guys, with these two things in requirement, we need to proceed and see how we can solve and find out the missing items or missing figures. Now again, in order to solve this, we will use the previous formulas. Like we very well know that A2 is equal to A1 plus D, and we very well know that A3 is equal to A2 plus D, or I can write A1 plus D plus D. I can write A1 plus D, that is equal to A1 plus 2D. Just guys, if you remember, here it is A2 is equal to A1 plus D. So I just replaced this A1 plus D with A2 here, and I solved this problem. And you could notice the logic, like when it is A2, here it is 1D. When it is A3, here it is 2D. Just we need to keep this logic in mind and we can move ahead. Now I can write A9 is equal to, keeping that logic in mind, I can write A9 is equal to A1 plus 8D, just 1 less than the N or 9. Now this is what we have. Now what I am going to do, I have with me D is equal to 5. So I can replace the value of D 5 and I can write A9 is equal to A1 plus 8 into 5, that is equal to A1 plus 40. Okay, so let's name this one as, that means A9 is equal to A1 plus 40. So let us name this one as equation 1, A1 plus 40. Let us name this one as equation 1. Now guys, we very well know the sum of arithmetic progression, because here they have given also S9. Now let us utilize this value also. So I can write 2Sn is equal to n into A1 plus An, or I can write 2S9 is equal to 9 into A1 plus A9, or I can write just I can put the values of whatever we have in this equation. I can write 2S9 is equal to 9 into A1 plus A9. A9, you could see that we got A9 is equal to A1 plus 40. Just I will replace this value for A9 here, A1 plus 40. Okay, now we very well know S9 is 75, so I can write 2 into 75 is equal to 9 into 2A1 plus 40, or I can write 2 into 75, that means 150 is equal to 9 into 2A1 plus 40, or I can write 2a1, just solving this equation, I can write 2a1 is equal to, so here it is 150, and just what I will do, 150 upon 9, I will get this 9 here, and I can write 2a1 plus 40. Okay, now this one like it is divisible by 3, and I can say 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. So I can write 50 by 3 is equal to 2a1 plus 40, or I can write 2a1 is equal to 50 by 3 minus 40. Okay, now I can write 2a1 is equal to 50 minus, multiplying 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator, I can write 50 minus 3 4s are 12, 120 by 3, that is equal to minus 70 by 3. Or I can write, so we got 2a1 is equal to minus 70 by 3, or I can write a1 is equal to, just putting the value, just moving solving this equation, I can write a1, 2a1 is equal to minus 70 by 3, I can write a1 is equal to minus 70 by 30 into 1 by 2, just dividing this 2, or I can write that is 1 is equal to 2 upon 70 upon 2 is like minus 35 by 30. Or again solving this equation, I can write, sorry guys, it is not 30, it is 3, because we multiplied like 50 by 3 minus 40, so it is 50 minus, so 3 into 40, 3 into 120 by 3, so we got 50 minus 120 by 3, that is equal to minus 70 by 3. So I can write here 70 into 1 by 2, that is equal to this 70 and 35, that will 70 will cancel, and I can write 35 by 3. So guys, we got the value for a1 as minus 35 by 3. a1 is equal to minus 35 by 3. Now we can easily get the value for a9. a9 I can write is equal to a1 plus 8d, or we have already considered that one as just we know the value, we didn't consider any equation, but we know that a9 is equal to a1 plus 8d as per the logic that I told you earlier. Or I can write a9 is equal to a1 minus 35 by 3 plus 8d, here d is 5, so 8 into 5, or that is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Okay, now let us solve this one so that we can get the value of a9. I can write a9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 plus 120 by 3, just multiplying 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator, so that is equal to minus 35 plus 120 by 3, that is equal to, we are getting 85 by 3. Therefore a9 is equal to a9 is equal to, because minus 35 plus 120 is positive 85 by 3, or I can write a9 is equal to 85 by 3. That's all guys. You could see that we are able to find out the value for a9, and the value for a9 is 85 by 3. Hope guys you understood this calculation. Don't get confused with these lengthy calculations, but people can do it within 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes max. But still, if you have any questions or concerns, please write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.